won't come do for our state plenty. Number one, he won't come launch what they call the South-South hub. The South-South now 6 states, where Edo be one of them. Bayelsa be another. Rivers, Cross River, Akwa Ibom, and Delta. These 6 states, their youths, where they do plenty things for this our current life, where they call ICT, and they want to start small business, but they don't know how to start that business, what they call incubation of business. We can't gather them together for our state to create what they call skill development center for inside the former ICE. Now former now because what thing that they do for there those days, you know, if you follow what thing they do now. You know, many years ago, people not get telephone for this country. Now they get telephone. Your small picking go carry remote control, take the remote your TV. You will be adults, you don't know what it is inside. So are we small young people, we know all those things. Because say, why we not bring them together for one place? Make they come sabi how to do anything with the inside computer and information technology. Learner, give them certificate. Instead, when they go wrong, go obodo ibo where they not get document. They go get certificate. When they reach there, they say, this Nigerian boy, hey, he gets sense where for inside this computer. They go get and work for them. If he did Nigeria here, he go also be useful to himself. Himself go start his own company, he go employ many people. So we go, the vice president go launch that innovation hub, what they call South Innovation Hub when he come. Many ICT companies, like you talk, go did there, like Oracle, like Google, like Bridge. They all did there. When they did there, they will come, they teach our young people how to do all these plenty things what they do for Obodo land. When he go finish that place for inside that innovation hub, he will come cross, go the other side of the road, inside what they call Ihogbe College. For that Ihogbe College, he go also launch what they call medium scale enterprises clinic. That clinic, now small business, where they get problem, like I talked before, with NAFDAC, with SON, with CAC, with FIROS, where they collect tax. When he launch them, all those small business will get those problems, they go tell them what will be their problem. He go come help them solve the problem because he also come with CBN and Bank of Industry, so that anybody will want process small loan, we go take doing business, he go tell them, say, may they listen to the person. When he launched that one finish, he go come inside the big marquee where plenty people they wait for, what they call town hall meeting, especially for people who get small business and youths and young people who want to really start business. That town hall meeting, he will come address many people about the things where government for Abuja they do. When he don't address them, before he address them, come talk all the things what they do concerning what they call JIP. JIP now what they give small money to market women. We don't do one since. Federal government don't do one for our state since. Those women we don't benefit, we go bring them. Other programs so the federal government don't they do, they go also come there that day. People they don't give job, they go come there that day. You can't ask them questions. When you don't ask them questions, he go say answer the questions we then ask them. But before then, we as we state, we will come look for young people, make them tell Mr. Vice President, Professor Yemi Osibanjo, the #2 citizen of our country, all the things where young people they face for this state, so that he go take our message, go Abuja, go tell the #1 citizen of this country, President Muhammadu Buhari, waiting in see for Ogbonge Edo State. And if they get anything where they want add to waiting we don't they do as a state, the president and vice president will come put head together to solve all those problems. When they don't come out there, because we go really take for that town hall meeting, make everybody talk. If people want talk, we want ask questions through internet, we go open the site for them, make they come ask the question. When we don't finish there in the evening, the vice president will come rest small, like 1 hour, because by the time we finish for that place, it could not reach 6 o'clock. When he don't rest, between 7 and 8 o'clock, we'll come do what they call state dinner for our banquet hall for inside government house. To say, Edo people, sabi entertain people. Mr. Vice President, make you rest, make you see what Edo people feel offer you. When he don't rest, the next day, we'll come do small meeting, what they call breakfast meeting with him. When we don't do breakfast meeting with him, he will come go Azura, you know say Azura don produce electricity of 450 megawatts, and Edo state government contribute well well for inside that project so that our country go get light. Part of the light we dey say make they also give us, make we take dey do our business for our state. You come see that light because that project they finish am many months before the time wey they say they suppose finish am, which mean say the Edo state put fire make dem quick cook that soup make e done. And now when the soup don done, we wan tell Mr. President make e come see am say the soup don done so that they go come start to dey use am quick. When e don see that project finish, e go come go Upper Sakomba for the land wey we give, wey we want to do housing estate for 1,800 housing estate. E go come do the groundbreaking so that they can officially commence to build 1,800 houses for Edo people. Once e don do that groundbreaking, we will come go market for Uselu market, go see the light wey government don put for inside market so that market women go begin enjoy light. Small fan go dey blow them, make dem no dey sweat when they dey do their business. Make dem also dey see light, take count their money, make their money, they no go give them 50 naira instead of 500 naira. When the vice president don see that light finish, he don see am say the light dey work, he go come greet our market women, come throway salute give them, talk with them small, ask them question how they take dey do their business and how government go take support them. Once he don do that one, Mr. Vice President, because he get plenty things wey dey do, he go come go back to Abuja.